What are we gonna do? No balloons blown up, no cake. Diva will wake up soon.
We could pretend that her birthday is cancelled due to bad weather, no?
No, guys, don't panic. We can do this. Just need to work together.
So much to do, so many decorations to make.
Give me my penny, I need to bake the birthday cake.
I'll hide the present somewhere Diva will never see.
What a team we are, working in harmony.
We have to do things quietly. If Diva wakes up from her dream, our big surprise will be gone.
It's Diva's birthday, what a magic day. Get out the game so we can play. It's Diva's birthday, what a special day. When she awakes we'll shout hip hip hooray. And we'll play and we'll sing and dance along to everything on Diva's special day.
The playlist ready and it's chock full of her favorite songs.
It's almost time for all of us to sing along.
The table's laid with knives, forks and spoons.
Gulliver has finally blown up all of the balloons.
Is it time that she should wake? Does someone want to give her a shake? Now everybody shh.
What are you doing? It's Diva's birthday, what a magic day. Get out the game so we can play. It's Diva's birthday, what a special day. Now she's awake, we shout hip hip hooray. And we'll play and we'll sing and dance along to everything on Diva's special day.
Now, are we sure that we've got everything ready?
Everything looks great. Aren't we a brilliant team?
Can I wake her now? Can I wake her now? Can I wake her now?
Okay, Gulliver. You can wake her up.
Yes.
But gently.
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 Gently. Gently.
Is there a fire?
Happy birthday, Diva!
Diva!
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Oh, my dears!